Hello and welcome to my channel Indian YouTuber Charu. Today I'll be sharing kadai chicken recipe with you all. It's a dish from the Indian subcontinent noted for its spicy taste. The dish is prepared in a kadai. So let's go and see how to prepare this delicious recipe. So first we'll take 1 kg of chicken. Today Ashu and I are preparing this kadai chicken together because his friends are coming over and he has a get together. So he helped me cut the pieces, and here we have the spices. First we'll marinate the chicken. So we'll put slits in chicken pieces and then add chili powder and garam masala to it. And then we'll marinate this chicken for 45 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll cut 5 medium-sized onions, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 4 green chilies, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger, and we also have coriander leaves and tomato paste. For the spices, we'll use salt, turmeric, red pepper, black pepper, coriander powder, tandoori chicken masala and kasuri methi. So we'll let the pan or kadai heat up and then add some oil. After that we'll add cumin seeds to the hot oil and then add the chopped onions. We'll let the onions cook until they turn translucent. Keep stirring it in between so that they don't get burnt. Then we'll add ginger and garlic paste to it. And then add the chopped green chilies and add a little bit of turmeric to it. Now is the time to add the chicken pieces to the onion, ginger and garlic. So keep the flame on high and add the chicken pieces and turn around till they are completely coated with the mixture. Keep stirring and make sure that you coat the onions, green chilies, ginger and garlic well into the chicken. And after that, we'll cover the kadai or pan with a lid and let it cook on slow flame. Lower the heat and cook cover till chicken is cooked through and is soft and tender. And then we'll add the spices, which will include salt, red chili powder, chicken masala, coriander powder and garam masala. Add all these spices into the chicken and let it cook for some time. Now that the chicken is soft and tender, we'll add tomatoes and fry for another 5 minutes. And then we'll add tomato paste as well and give it a good mix. The color looks really amazing. Doesn't it look appetizing? Now we'll add 1 cup of water and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can add less water if you want your gravy to be thicker. So the kadai chicken is ready. Doesn't it look nice, delicious and appetizing? We garnished it with coriander leaves and we're all set to eat it with either chapati or rice. I prefer eating it with rice, but we have made chapatis as well because my husband's friends are coming over, so we don't know who would like to eat what, so we prepared both. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay blessed and keep smiling.